Okay, so this is how you disassemble this light, the light tube away from the black base or white base, depending on what light you have. So you just grab a firm hold of the light tube, grab a firm hold of the black base, and for the video I just unscrewed it already a little bit, but you just gotta give some force into it and it will unscrew like a normal nut. Let me see. There you go. See? Gently pull it away. You'll see some wires. If you pull these wires, LED strip should come out, and there's just one connector that you gotta pull apart. You gotta add some force into it, and it will come off. You could push this back in and keep it for storage on the side, and that is how you disassemble this light.